kittens started to cry. Their soft, warm mittens were nowhere nearby. Oh, dear mother, we're feeling afraid. Our mittens are lost, the kitten said.
Response? What did you say? You lost them all?
Careless kittens, that's not good at all.
No yummy pie will come your way.
The kittens cried.
Meow, meow, meow.
Soon those kittens looked here and there, under the table, under the chair.
Dear mother!
Look, come quickly and see, our mittens are found.
As happy as can be. Response?
You found them again, how sweet you are. My lovely kittens, you've come so far. Now you may have a slice of pie. They purred with joy.
Purr, purr nearby.
The kittens wore mittens, sat down to eat. The pie was yummy, sticky and sweet.
Oh, mother dear, we feel so sad. Our mittens are messy, very, very bad. Response? Messy mittens, oh my, oh dear.
Careless kittens, she said so clear.
The kittens sighed and bowed their head.
Meow, meow, meow.
Was all they said.
The kittens washed mittens clean and bright, with soap and bubbles scrubbing just right.
Oh, mother dear, please come and see. Our mittens are washed as clean as can be. You washed them well!
Good kittens, true, I'm very proud of all of you. Hush now, hush, I hear something nearby.
I think I smell a little rat, said she with a sigh.
Don't forget to like, share, subscribe right now.